In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Google Drive folder. First things first, let's talk about why you might need to transfer ownership of a folder in Google Drive. Maybe you're handing off a project to someone else, or perhaps you're transitioning out of a role at work. Whatever the reason, the process is straightforward and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. You'll need to start by heading over to Google Drive. So go ahead and sign in with your Google account. That means entering your email and password. Remember, if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signing into the one that currently has ownership of the folder you need to transfer. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your main Google Drive page. Here, locate the folder whose ownership you want to change. You might need to scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top. Found it? Great. Now click on the three dots next to your folder. This opens up a menu filled with options, but the one you're interested in is Share. So go ahead and click on Share to proceed. After clicking Share, a new window will pop up. Here's where you add the person you want to transfer ownership to, type in their email, and wait for a moment as Google processes it. Then you'll see that person's name appear below. Here's a critical step. Next to the name of the person you've just added, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it. By default, it sets their permission to Viewer. To change this, click on the drop-down menu and you will see the option to transfer ownership. Once you click on transfer ownership, Google Drive will prompt you to confirm your decision. It's essential to understand that once you transfer ownership, you won't be able to reverse this action without the new owner's cooperation. So make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. Congratulations! After you've confirmed, you've successfully transferred ownership of your Google Drive folder. The new owner will receive an email notification about the change, and they'll have all the rights that come with ownership, including sharing the folder with others, changing its contents, and, of course, transferring ownership back or to someone else if needed. Remember, transferring a folder's ownership is a significant action, so always double check you're transferring it to the correct person. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to transfer ownership of a Google Drive folder. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Transferring ownership is a powerful feature in Google Drive that ensures your projects and important documents are always in the right hands, even as team dynamics change. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.